Your target should not be less than 340. How many Amla members do you have here, national level?
23.
And local level as well. If you give target to each Amla member of one bath, then at least you can achieve half of the target. Achha. Then what else?
Inshallah, this year we are trying to reach the universities through making exhibition and lecture in the university. And also we are making a special team just for achieving the bay'at target.
Normally, those who are well-educated people, they are just indifferent about religion. They don't take much interest in religion. Although they discuss so many things with you, you feel that they are very much interested in religion, but in reality they are not. So you should also try to contact and focus on the general public. Try to find some pockets from among Arabs, from among local Belgians, Asians who are migrant here. So try to focus on different ethnic groups, right? Form your teams for different groups. For Arabs, different team. For Asians, different team. For local people, different team. Inshallah. This is how you can achieve your target. Or you can at least spread the message.